The government has reduced the number of subsidized cooking gas cylinders available annually under the government scheme Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana from 9 to 4, according to Pradhan Mantri, Additional Secretary in the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. Kanuja said on June 9th that the revised entitlement broadly matches the average annual consumption pattern of Ujjwala beneficiaries. He also noted that the cost of supplying a domestic LPG cylinder has risen to more than 1,600 rupees due to a surge in international prices following the outbreak of war in West Asia at the end of February. Despite the increase in costs, he pointed out that Indian households continue to pay among the lowest prices for cooking gas globally. However, oil marketing companies are still suffering losses of around 700 rupees per 14.2 kg cylinder, he added. The PMUY scheme, launched in May 2016, provides deposit-free LPG connections to women from economically weaker households. Beneficiaries were initially entitled to 12 subsidized 14.2 kg cylinders per year. This was later reduced to 9 cylinders last year and has now been further cut to 4. The latest revised comes amid rising LPG prices. In Delhi, the price of 14.2 kg cylinder has increased by a total of 89 rupees across 2 hikes in the past 3 months, with the most recent revision on June 7th taking the retail price to 942 rupees. After accounting for a 300 rupee subsidy, PMUY beneficiaries currently pay 642 rupees per cylinder. In addition, the LPG price changes, oil companies have also increased petrol and diesel prices by about 7.50 rupees per litre each through 4 installments last month. CNG prices have also been raised by 6 rupees per kg. Cylinders LPG import prices are linked to the Saudi contract price, which has increased by around 46% since February. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.